Now, if you have worked with observations, such as weather observations, for example, temperatures, you might have noticed that you have these kinds of values sometimes in those data, which means there was no value, no valid value detected for that observation. And organizations use that spatial value to mean no data. So if we wanted to use a list comprehension where we divide by 10 all these values, we want to be careful not to divide this value by 10. We want to ignore that. For that we need an if conditional inside the list comprehension. We can do it like that. So create a new variable where you will store the new list. And again, let's say temp divided by 10 for temp in temps. If temp is different, for example, than -9999. Print new temps, execute on the terminal, and we get the expected result. So this is just like the simple loop that we saw in the previous video, with the addition of the if conditional. So that is the conditional. We're checking if temp is different than -9999.